is not just any day. It's a day filled with sparkle, shine, and excitement of welcoming our little superstar, Jalebi Baby, into this world.
Today we've come together to honor Darshan and Yulisha as they prepare to welcome their newest addition to the family. As we know, this journey into parenthood is a beautiful adventure, filled with love and joy and a little bit of chaos. Yulisha and Darshan, you are about to embark on a remarkable journey that will change your lives forever, and I couldn't be more excited for you. Today we celebrate not just the baby, but the incredible love that surrounds this little one already.
Driving home after the baby shower, I couldn't wait to meet baby Pele. To me, he will be the epitome of his parents' good looks. He will carry with him the most amazing personality and kind nature that his parents have.
Raising a little boy is an experience like no other. It is wild, unpredictable, filled with joy, chaos, and the occasional need for a strong cup of coffee.
Remember, every day with him is an adventure, full of joy and unpredictability, and even though the days can sometimes feel long and exhausting, the time goes by so quickly.
Come guys, let's clap.
Going to be born into a family that's going to give him all the love and support that he will ever need. We're so happy for you, and we know you're going to be excellent parents. So we love you guys, and thanks for allowing us to share this amazing day with you.
Yulisha is giving me one of the biggest gifts in this world. The least I can do is make sure we celebrate it in true Jalebi Baby style. Listening to everybody, tell us how it's going to change our lives even more. It's quite scary. But I think if there's anyone I would want to do this with, it's Yulisha. So, thank you for being by my side. And I already know you'll be an exceptional mother to our little boy.
I'm very grateful that I get to celebrate this moment with Darshan. And for those that have been waiting for this baby for many years, I do believe that everything happens for a reason, and this is our time.